Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Fauzan Rahmatullah from Pancasakti University who will presenting about testing listening and testing grammar and vocabulary. This is the present presentation for final test term in subject language testing, and my lecturer is Mr. Francie MPD. Okay. For the first is testing listening. Introduction. Testing and speaking are typically exercised together in oral examination. Several occasions, listening to the radio, to lectures, to railway station announcement, non-speaking is called for. Listening is included for its backwash effect on the development of oral skills. Listening may also be tested for diagnostic purposes, specifying what candidates should be able to. Content. Operations global classification include the ability to obtain the gist, follow an argument, recognize the attitude of the speaker, informational list on page 161, interactional for lower level listening skills may include discriminate between vowel and consonant phonemes, interpret interpret the intonation pattern. For reasons of content validity and backwash, text should be specified as fully as possible. The first text type, monologue, dialogue, instructions, etc. Text form, exposition, argumentation, narration, it and each other. Length, seconds or minutes, speed of speech, words or minute, syllable or second, dialects, standards or non-standards, varieties, accents, regional or non-regional. Setting criteria levels for performance. Selecting samples of speech or text. Use the authentic speech, radio, television, teaching materials, internet, or our recordings of native speakers. Poor recording introduces difficulties and reduce validity and reliability of the test. Should be as natural as possible. Should avoid passages originally intended for reading. Writing items. Not taking procedure for extended listening. Keep items sufficiently far apart in the passage. Candidates should be warned by keyword that appear both in the item and passage. Possible techniques. The first, multiple choice. The alternatives must be kept short and simple. For testing, recognizing and understanding suggestions, short answer, gap filling to avoid unique answer, information transfer on page 166. Completing forms showing routes on a map, diagrams, or note taking. Possible techniques, partial dictation on page 168, providing a raw and ready measure of listening ability can be used diagnostically to test students' ability to cope with particular difficulties. To avoid score unreliability, it is better to use partial dictation. Correct spelling should probably not be required, but can cause scoring problems. If the answer is more than a single word, it does make the scoring even less straightforward. Transcription. To transcribe numbers or words which spelled letter by letter, the letter should not already be able to spell. Setting criteria levels of performance. First, moderating items. The moderations of listening items is essential. The moderators begin by taking the test and then analyze their items and their reaction to them on page 154. Presenting the text live or recorded. Use recordings uniformity. Listen to in language lab. The recordings should be equally clear. To be live, a single speaker to get uniformity and reliability should have a good command of the language of the test, highly reliable, trustworthy individuals. Scoring the correct response was intended. Okay. And for the second is testing grammar and vocabulary. Testing grammars. Items to be covered a lot, but directly testing limits operation. Importance in proficiency testing low. Achievement diagnostic test applicable. Placement test high. Specification and sampling. Specification straightforward material or achievement test. Sampling selecting according to importance, not easier to test. Multiple choice low. Paraphrase completion modified clause high. Items paraphrase or transformations. Example testing passive past continuous form. Testing present perfect with for or negative. Completion or filling the gaps example. Question, let me take down your information. Where? Answer, Uttaradak. Modified clause, testing preposition with image articles, linking or mixed structures. Scoring, careful. Location, word point, specific to the intended items. Separation of points for more than one item. Testing vocabulary can be tested along with grammar. Formative assessment can be done. Little instruction then grammar, little necessity for such tests for achievement test. There may be prerequisites for placement diagnosis test not necessary. Specification and sampling. Specification including relative items, grouping the according to importance vocabulary. Placement test equals proficiency test. Questions according to frequency and the text. Sampling, frequency, and usefulness. Items recognition, encouraging, guessing meaning. The four synonyms: glam, A, gather, B, sign, C, welcome, D, clean. Distractions, glare, or similarity with clean. Definition: lots means add. A, dislike intensely. B, become seriously ill. C, search carefully. D, look very angry. distraction, notion of intensity. For the third, give feeling or multiple choice. Context for testing knowledge of physical item. The song weighing the man's efforts to put up the tent. A disable, be hampered, see the ranges, be regal. Items. Production only for possibility in achievement test. The first picture, the second definition is a person who treats and looks after our kids or specific. The third give feeling. Because of the terrain, the cricket match was until the following week or non-specific. Conclusion, communicative in nature, less importance for learning, suitable for process, less focus on bequest effect. Thank you. Just this for me. If you any question, can you contact me on my phone? And if you want to ask me some question too, you can follow my Instagram Rahmatullah 578. I close my presentation. Thank you for attention all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.